How to create this hip roof? So let's start. I just delete this roof for now. Go to plan view and apply a roof tool. Then click this rectangle shape. Draw a rectangle. Make sure define slope is active and offset is 3 feet. And may also make sure the base level is the roof or first floor level, and hit the finish. Now create another roof. Define slope, active this define slope, and offset is 3 feet. Draw a rectangle. This line should not be used define slope. Then finish it. Roof must be placed in first floor or roof level, and also create another roof. Hit the apply define slope, and offset is 3 feet. Drag the line to this main roof line, align it, and define slope should not be applied in this line. So roof must be placed in first floor or roof level, then finish it. Go to 3D view. We should edit this roof for this line. Click this roof and edit footprint and drag it to this line. Now finish it. Now go to modify tool, modify ribbon, and click this joint unjoined roof. Click this line and click it main roof surface, and also click it and apply, also activate this joint roof, and click this small roof line and apply this main roof surface. As you see, the roof, external roof attached to this main roof, and now join it, main roof, to this external roof. Okay, that's it.